Right, we're at the Skoda today for some more pre-MOT repairs, and that consists of doing 2 strut top mounts and drop link. Maybe a real wheel bearing if I could talk Dinky into it. First things first is to jack it up and get the wheel off. Right, we're taking that pinch bolt out of here. Next, Daniel's disconnected the hub from the strut.
Compressor, just make it loose.
Easy with the tools, eh?
Should be alright. Vice grip should be better.
Okay.
On the bar.
The pinch bolt back in. I've left Daniel doing the other side and I've went for rolls. Right, we've got both front wheels down on the ground, been for a wee test drive and it seems to be going fine. It's not making any knocking noises anymore. Daniel has moved on to the rear, which we've jacked up, and we're going to replace the rear wheel bearing. First thing he's doing is removing that wee circlip, split pin.
Screwdriver.
think he's gently finessing the back drum off. Right, Daniel's got that bit off, which he tells me the brake cylinder is fucked, so that's more good news. Right, we've ordered the new brake cylinder and shoes and fitting kit from Euro Car Parts, which will be here tomorrow morning apparently. Famous last words for Euro. So I'm going to leave the bearing just now and just build it back up so I could use the motor. Right, I'm going to stop the video here. I said back down on the ground. It's the 10th today. I have until the 25th or something to get the rest of the repairs done before the MOT. Just going to point out some of the artistry on the back of my van from a co-worker. Thanks Bailey, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.